A seasonal crime affecting people in Midtown Tulsa. Someone is taking pumpkins and other decorations right off of people's front porches. Only on 2, reporter Liz Bryant shows us how you can keep from becoming a target. Liz?
Well, Russ, police say all thieves want is a quick grab and go, so you can make them work for it. All you have to do is tie a rope around your pumpkins or other Halloween decorations, then use stakes. This is from a tent, and stake the rope into the ground.
Enough!
A fall game of football in this front yard.
What?
Is the same playground for thieves for fall decor.
We got robbed.
Over here I had a wooden jack-o'-lantern and some pumpkins stacked on top of the green pumpkins, so I think they just came in whatever they could get in one handful in one trip.
A grab and go of pumpkins and now a hook without a wreath. The Shiflets family of 5 are out $125 worth of Halloween decorations.
It still was kind of a big deal to us, but it wasn't like a big deal, like they didn't steal your TV or something really valuable.
But that did happen last time. See, 2 years ago, Dad Jess left for a Starbucks run. In just 11 minutes, a thief kicked in their back door, stealing their TV, computer, and daughter's clothes. It leaves the boys wondering why they can't call police again for this.
They think that that's the natural thing to do, and we just couldn't do anything. We just let it go because it is just decorations. It wasn't a lot of money, but we're teaching our kids that you can just get away with it.
Tulsa's Midtown Alert neighbors warn others on Facebook. Elise wrote, "They stole a couple of skeletons, my witch, and some unopened bags of webs." And commented, "I write stolen from and my address on the back of all my yard art." Now a 9-year-old running back isn't the only one who gets away in this front yard.
Find where those people are and tell them it's not yours. We need it, and it makes our house look better.
And police also suggest leaving your porch light on like the Sheffields do. And if you have everything, if you're going out of town, take everything inside. Liz Bryant, 2 News, works for you.